Hello, we are Team Save Patrick from the super teams of RoboCupJunior on stage. Our team is composed by treasure hunters from Austria, Tomoshibi Technology from Japan, and Battle Guys from Brazil. Our chosen United Nations Sustainable Development Goal was the number 14, entitled as Life Below Water, that aims to achieve the sustainable use of the oceans and their conservation. We decided to go with this topic because the Austrian team already had a presentation and robots related to the oceans, such as the shark or the ship. And also, Japan's and Brazil's robots are very easy to adapt with many different themes and presentations. This is why we chose this goal. Moreover, working together was funny, however challenging, as we had to face language barrier issues, but in the end, we were able to do a great job to understand each other and create something in which everyone could be included. Furthermore, while working together, we were able to learn a lot of things from such a rich experience of knowledge exchange. For instance, the Japanese team had a lot of experience with electrical systems, software management, and wireless communication. The Brazilian team had a lot of experience with mechanical systems, machine learning classifier trainment, and also with wireless communication. And the Austrian team had a lot of experience with the creative and artistic part of OnStage, and also knew a lot about wireless communication. Putting it all together, we were able to make a nice interaction between our robots by adapting the strong points of the three teams. One thing that we were willing to do as a group was integrating at least one robot of each team. To do that, we decided to integrate the Brazilian glove to use as a main controller of our new communication network. The Brazilian team already had a program that was able to get data from the glove and send to a Python code running in Visual Studio. We adapted it to send this information to Cube IDE, used by the Japanese team, because by doing that, the Japanese Zigbee board would be able to connect all the Japanese robots and the Austrian robots with the gloves using the computer as an intermediate. We did that by basically converting the previous existing serial communication into GPIO output. Consequently, all of the Japanese robots and the Austrian robots with their new integrated Japanese board would be able to interact with the glove. Thus, everything is now connected, and the robot will be able to perform synchronized and pretty movements. Moving on, we plan to use the Japanese display, Brazilian's robot movements and emotions, and Australian's island, ship, and shark, in an emotive presentation that shows the necessity of maintaining the ocean clean for the marine life, that will basically consist of one person, that is wearing the glove, cleaning the water nearby the islands with the help of Rigel, the shark, and the ship, while the display will contribute to the scenario and emotions transmitted through the course of the show. Last but not least, it is important to reinforce how every team was integrated in the process of creating the whole thing. Besides having robots from all the teams being able to work together on the stage and synchronize it, we were also able to work together in order to produce this video. The Japanese and Brazilian teams did an amazing job with the deep explanation on how they were able to integrate everything, and the Austrian creativity and artistic aspects were indispensable to think about what to do in this video. Putting it all together, with the voice of one of the members from Team Brazil, we were able to make this video in such a short span of 2 days and explaining all the desired aspects. Even with this short span of time, we hope you are excited to see our robots integrated on stage. Thanks for the attention, goodbye.